What's the address, brother?
Good morning. This is call number 2021-82971. In the interest of Enola Francois, all parties and witnesses, please unmute yourselves and raise your right hands to be sworn.
Ms. Ogunlowo Francois, please turn on your video and your microphone. Can you please turn on your video and your microphone?
There we go. All right. Raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Mr. Durst, or
Yes.
Mr. Simpson? I didn't hear your answer.
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am, please, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Katushka Ogala, and I'm the mother of Ilona.
Okay, sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Yes, Ms. Simpson, daughter of Enola.
All right.
Francois.
Counsel, your name and who you represent.
Good morning, Your Honor, Judge Longoria. My name is Eric Robertson. I'm with the Dugas Law Firm. I represent Mr. Simpson.
All right, all right.
Your Honor.
All right, you're breaking up quite a bit. Mr. Regla, please state your name and for the state of, for the Attorney General's office.
Yes, Judge. Luis Regla for the Office of the Attorney General.
All right, we've got a petition to establish a parent-child relationship. We have a presumed father, Oladiran Tola Ogunlowo, who is not present. He was personally served on January 11th, 2022 at 1:43 p.m. at 9850 South Kirkwood Road, apartment 714 in Houston, Harris County, Texas, and he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
Correct, Judge.
So we will default as to him. We've got a petition to establish parent-child relationship. We're having a hearing. Do we have any stipulations?
Yes, we do, Judge.
Okay, let's read those into the record.
Thank you, Judge. The parties have agreed to admit the DNA results in Exhibit A. And I think I just sent those to the printer, so hopefully they printed out by now.
All right, State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Wasn't doing. Thank you, Judge. The parties did do a DNA testing as part of a separate court case, and so that's why the test had already been performed. And they have agreed, Judge, to stipulate that the father, this man, Mr. Simpson, will be established as the biological father of the child. The parties have agreed to joint managing conservatorship. There can be a geographic restriction in surrounding counties for the mother. The parties have agreed that Medicaid will continue for this child. The father is unemployed right now, is not working, so we will use minimum wage presumptions. Medical support, $57 a month, beginning June 1st. The father will also pay child support, $217 per month, also beginning June 1st. No retroactive child support. The mother will have non-disclosure, but as to a third party. So nothing to do with this man, it's as to someone else. And that the parties are agreeing to do alternating week-to-week possession of this child. We need to choose the date and time for that. The topics we don't have an agreement on that we will approach on will be whether the father has to be supervised during his possession and the last name of the child.
Wait a minute. The father's going to have possession of the child for a week at a time?
Yes, Judge.
And there's question of whether he has to be supervised for he has to be supervised for a week?
Correct. And the mother wants that to continue indefinitely.
Who's going to supervise the father, Ms. Francois?
His mom.
His mom has to be with him the entire week, following him around with the child all over the place. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes, yes, it's a reason why I want this. I don't want it. It's just temporary. But I want it in place for right now.
No. This case is to be referred and mediated.
Yes, Judge. So refer to district and mediation by the dispute resolution office, Judge.
Yes.
Okay.
Case is transferred to the 308 District Court and DRO mediation is ordered.
Yes, Judge. I will prepare the orders. And so maybe we excuse Judge so I can get that ready and explain to the parties.
Yes. Anything further, Mr. Robertson?
No, Judge Longoria, other than to thank the court and Mr. Louis Regella for his time working with us, and also you, Judge Longoria, for your time today, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Excused.